Okay, so we are solving data structure and algorithm question which are asked in interview, and today we are solving, or right now we are solving kth smallest and the largest element of an array. So before starting this, I just want to tell you that if you want to read about this code in like detail, the link will be in the description. It is written in English, Hindi, and Hinglish, which is a combination of English and Hindi. Uh, and if you want to watch a Hindi video of this same video, if you want to understand this code हिंदी में, अगर आपको ये हिंदी में वीडियो देखनी है तो आप जाके वो देख सकते हैं. You can watch this same video in Hindi. The link will be in the description. And yeah, let's start. So what our question says, it says you are given an array. So we have given an array consisting n distinct integer. N distinct integer is like number will not repeat. Distinct is like every number would be different. So let's go ahead and let me explain as we go along. So this is our array. So let's say 2 is here and 3 is here, 2 is here. So this would be not the case for this question, because see, this element and this element is same. So it is specifically saying that no two elements are same in this array. So this is basically like, so we have an array. So every element will be different. Say 1, 3, 4, 5, 8. So every element is different. Okay, and distinct integer and a positive k. So and a positive k. There would be a k positive. Find out the kth smallest and kth largest of an array. It is guaranteed that k is not greater than the size of the array example. So we have given n size of n, and we have given an array. So 0, 1, 2, 3, but the size is 4, because this is 4. If we talk about array index, so 0, 1, 2, 3. So the size is 4, but the index is 3 here, and here is 0. Okay, and the k is 3. So we have given a k. So what we have to do is, then an element is ascending order 1, 2, 4, 5. So we have to make this in ascending order. So for our example, uh, it is in ascending order because 1, 3, 4, 5, 8. So ascending order is basically from smallest to greatest. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 8. So our array in is an ascending order. Clearly the third smallest and the largest of this array is 4 and 2. So third smallest and largest. So what is the third smallest of this array? So the third smallest of this array is what? This is the first smallest. Okay. Then 2 is the second smallest. Okay. And like the third smallest is 4, and the third largest, so this is the first largest, second is the second largest, and the third largest is 4. Okay, so the third largest is 4, and the third smallest is 2. Third smallest is 2. How? So let's say this is our first smallest of this array is 4 and 3. The third smallest and largest element of the array is 4 and 2. So first smallest, second smallest, and 4 and 5. This is third smallest. Third smallest is 4 and third largest is 4. Okay, so let me check the detailed description of it so that I can give you a clear picture of this. Okay, that's the case only what I'm telling. So the first smallest for our array is first smallest, second smallest, and third smallest. What is for third smallest? So our third smallest is 1, because first smallest, second smallest, and third smallest. And for third greatest, first greatest, second greatest, and third greatest. So 1 is our first greatest, 3 is our second greatest, and 4th is our third greatest. Or you can say the 8 is on first graded, second 5 is our second greatest, and 4 is our third greatest. So I hope this is clear. Okay, so this, so what we have to find, we have to find third smallest and third greatest according to this, and k is our third, which is a number given to us, the third greatest and the third smallest. To be very honest, this is not a very big uh, solution for this. There is no very big, and the exact solution for this question is of two line, but we have to include something. We have to include algorithm, and as you can see, our return type is vector. So we are not returning integer. We are returning a vector, and we are given a vector. We are given a size, and we have given a the third smallest. Or key can be any value. So I will include um, vector algorithm. First, I will include an algorithm. So include is like basically what you can say is libraries which include to work with it. Then we will include a vector because we need a vector to return a vector. And then we will include we have include algorithm, we have include vector, and then we will include IO stream, input output stream, STRA. So we have input output stream, like it will check for input and output, and stream is a basically, let's say when you type something, it goes into buffer and buffer is converted into stream. So this is a library, just in a very simple one. This is a library which checks your input and output thing. This is vector and this is algorithm. So what we have to do, we have to first, let's say our array is in jumble form. So first we have to sort it out in an ascending order. So to sort it out, we will say sort, and we will say array dot begin, array dot begin, then array dot end. What this will do, let's say our array is let's say in jumbled form, let's say 3 1 2 3. Okay, and then there is distinct element only, so 3 can't be repeated. So 3 1 2 5 5 and 4. So after sorting in ascending order, it would be 1 2 3 4 5. So we are doing this, like the short function is doing that. We are ascend, like going from smallest to the greatest. Okay, so we will first sort our this array. So we did that here, and then what we will do, we will say return. What we have to return, we have to return an array. So okay, okay, wait. If return, so for array we will put this, and what we have to return, we have to return, like we are starting from 0th index, so we want key minus 1, right? So we will say, go ahead and say array k minus 1, because if you are talking about third last is in a 0th index context, it is 0 1 and 2, right? So we will say k minus 1, and we will say n minus k. What is n? N is a size of array. N is the size of an array. So let me explain this part to you. Okay, so k minus 1. What is k minus 1? So let's say we have an array and it is sorted 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's say k is our 2. So k is our 2. So k minus 1 is 1. So it is what we want, like not second largest, but the first largest. So k minus 1, let's say k is 0, and k is somewhere here third, and then k minus 1 is this 2 or something, because we have sorted it out. So obviously the number before 3 is smaller than 3, so this would be our let's say smallest than this. So k minus 1, and the n is 4, n minus k. So if the k is 1, or let's say k is our initial value of k is 2, so 4 minus 2 is what? 2. So we are getting the what, second largest and the second or smallest element of this array. So this is what we are doing. I hope that that is clear. This is clear to you. But if you want me to explain, comment it down. I will try to explain it more easy, in a easy way. And yeah, if you want to read about it, you can look into the description. And that's it. This is your full code. So we first sort it out, and then we will say k minus 1 and n minus k, and that's all you need. And I hope, yeah, it is going through all the test cases, passing all the test cases. So I hope this is clear to you. If not, just let me know what you don't understand in this. I will try to solve it out. And till then, I will see you in the next video. But if you want to read about this code, you can go ahead and again look into the description. There would be everything there in English, Hindi, and English. The link provided there. If you click on that link, you will get the explanation of a code. And if you want the same video in Hindi, the link is in the description, so check it out. I will see you in the next one.